Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you reviews that are as honest as they are thorough. Today, we're diving into a product that's been getting quite a bit of buzz, Aveda's Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo. If you've been struggling with damaged hair or just want to give your locks a little extra love, this shampoo might just be what you need. So let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. Aveda's Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo is designed to rebuild and strengthen hair, targeting the bonds that make up your strands. It promises a bond-building formula that works for all hair types and is made with 94% naturally derived ingredients. Now, that's already pretty impressive, considering how many shampoos on the market are packed with silicones and synthetic additives. This one is silicone-free, which might be a big selling point for those looking for more natural alternatives. The key ingredients in this shampoo are plant-powered, with a focus on strengthening and repairing hair from the inside out. It contains a blend of botanical extracts, including a mix of plant oils and proteins that aim to hydrate, repair, and protect your hair. The formula works by targeting the hair's internal structure to help strengthen and repair damage, so it's ideal for those with weak or brittle hair. Now, let's talk about my real-world experience with this shampoo. It's been about 2 weeks since I started using it, and I've been testing it both in the morning and evening. I have to say, the first thing I noticed was the texture. It's creamy, rich, and a little goes a long way, so you don't have to use much to get a nice lather. The scent is floral, but it's not overpowering, which is a huge win for me because sometimes floral scents can be a bit too much. When it comes to how it feels on the hair, I was really impressed. My hair felt soft immediately after rinsing, but the true test came the next day. Usually, after I wash my hair, I have to deal with a bit of dryness or frizz, but not with this shampoo. I noticed that my hair had more moisture and there was definitely less frizz, especially in the humidity. The bond-building formula really seems to work. My hair felt stronger and looked shinier than usual. As for the pros and cons, let's start with the good stuff. First, the formula is definitely effective. It's gentle on the hair, and you can feel the difference in terms of hydration and strength almost instantly. The silicone-free formula is a big plus for anyone looking to avoid buildup or who wants to maintain the integrity of their natural hair texture. The floral scent is light and refreshing without being overpowering, and I appreciate that it's not a harsh fragrance that lingers for too long. Plus, Aveda has a strong reputation for using naturally derived ingredients, so I feel good about putting this in my hair. On the downside, this shampoo is a bit on the pricey side. It's not the cheapest option out there, so if you're working with a budget, this might feel like a splurge. The packaging is sleek, but could be a little more eco-friendly, especially considering Aveda's eco-conscious brand values. That being said, the performance justifies the cost in my opinion, especially if you're looking for a product that does what it claims. Now, as for value for money, this is where things can get tricky. Aveda is known for its premium pricing, and while this shampoo does deliver on its promise to repair and strengthen damaged hair, it may not be for everyone. If you're someone who's willing to invest in high-quality, naturally derived products, you might find the price well worth it. But if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, there are alternatives out there that offer similar benefits without the hefty price tag. In terms of build quality, Aveda's packaging is solid, and the shampoo itself is long-lasting. Since you don't need much per wash, the bottle should last you a while to not, which softens the blow of the price a little bit. Plus, with its focus on repairing hair's internal structure, the results should hold up over time, making this a good investment if you have damaged or weak hair. As for alternatives, if Aveda's price tag makes you hesitate, you might want to check out brands like Ouai or Shea Moisture, both of which offer shampoos with similar benefits, but at a lower price point. They may not have the same bond-building claims, but they do a great job of strengthening and nourishing hair. To wrap things up, Aveda's Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo delivers on its promises of strengthening and repairing hair thanks to its plant-based ingredients and effective formula. It's a solid choice if you're dealing with damaged or brittle hair and are looking for a more natural alternative to traditional shampoos. That said, Its premium price point may not be for everyone, so if you're okay with splurging, it's definitely worth the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.